Hello guys, today I'm here to tell you like how to download a video from YouTube or even from Facebook. You can download video. Yeah, so uh, first of all, try not to forget, like, try to subscribe my channel and also like and share my channel. This will help you a lot in future, like we will make more videos for you. Yeah, thanks. So let's go. So first of all, you have to be an Android user to download video from YouTube and Facebook very easily with an easy task. Yeah, so first of all, you go to your browser and write down like widmat apk. Just write down here, and I'll just go to that apk and search it down. When you search it down, you will get links like this, so you can download this file in apk format. Like apk is a format where you can install it in an Android phone. So just download it in your phone. When you click on the download apk, so just scroll it down and come to the download apk file. When you click on the download, you will get the file in your downloaded in your phone. So as you know that I already have this app downloaded in my phone, so I don't need to download it, but I'll just directly go to the app. You can see on the screen this like widmat. Just click on the widmat app, and you will have to download it in your phone and install it, but I have already installed it, so I just into the um, the app. Yeah, so I'm going to search a video in YouTube. First of all, I'll just download a video in YouTube. I write it down my channel name there, and I'll get my channel's video now. You have to be very patient because my network is slow. Just going to scroll down to see if I can get. Yeah, as I told you, you can also download video from Facebook. I'll just also tell you how to download video from Facebook too. Just go to into the video, and we got the video there, and there is a download option. When you click on the download, you will get this like in which says and in which resolution you are going to download the video. So I just clicked on the 144p, like it have a less size, so it's okay for me, and it's going to be downloading now. Like it's in downloading mode now. You have to be very patient for it. So yeah, it's downloading. uh, yeah guys, it's a really easy way. Like you can also get more ways in, like Facebook and all the stuff. So but it's an easy way to download videos. See, now the video is in my phone, so I can just use it. This is the video I've just downloaded this in my phone now, so the video will come to your gallery. Yeah, so this is the way. And so now I'm going to tell you about the Facebook, like how to get video from Facebook. I'm going to in my Facebook and going to videos. So going to search a video. Yeah, this is the video. What will you do? Like you have to go to the three dot button and copy the link. There is an option with the name copy link. Yeah, this one. So just get it, the link is copied, and I will just go to widmet back, and in the search I will just paste the thing which I the link which I just copied, and just click on the search, and the video will be here with me, and there will be a download option there. Just click on the download, and there you are. Yeah guys, so it was today's video. I'll also make more important videos for you. Try to subscribe my channel, and the application link will be in the description. Get it and download it for yourself. Thanks a lot.